Want to make $300 a day online in 2025 without coding, investing, or spending hours writing from scratch? You can start earning by letting AI write for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Writesonic to create content that gets you paid, even while you sleep. We're talking blog posts, YouTube scripts, eBooks, and more. And yes, this is beginner friendly. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip and my favorite free tools to scale your content business fast. Step 1. Choose a niche. Don't try to write about everything. Focus on topics with demand and low competition, like personal finance, health, tech, travel, or AI itself. Use free tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or eBooks to find content people are already searching for. Step 2. Pick your AI writing assistant. Here are your top options. ChatGPT Plus, great for versatility, long-form writing, and customization. Jasper AI, perfect for marketing copy, SEO content, and social media. Writesonic, budget-friendly and good for short content and ads. These tools can write an article in minutes, but you add the human touch to make it shine. Step 3. Create samples to showcase your skills. These will get you clients and gigs. Write one blog post, one YouTube script, and one short ebook chapter in your niche. Save them in Google Docs or Notion. Try a prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post about 10 keto diet mistakes with catchy headlines and a friendly tone. Step 4. Time to get paid. Here are 3 solid ways to turn your content into cash. Option A. Freelancing. Post gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Her Like. I'll write SEO blogs for your website, link your samples and build your reviews. Option B. Your own blog or business. Launch a WordPress or Durable site. Write blog posts with affiliate links or use AdSense for passive income. Option C. Self-publishing. Turn your AI-written stories, guides, or checklists into eBooks. Upload to Amazon, KDP, or Gumroad and earn royalties every month. Step 5. Automate your workflow and scale it up. Use Notion or Trello to plan content. Batch create 5 articles in one day. Let AI handle outlines, intros, and summaries. Want to go pro? Use Zapier to auto-post blogs, send emails, or update your site. All hands-free. Step 6. Get your first clients. Join Facebook groups or Reddit subs where business owners need content. Show up with value and a link to your portfolio. Make TikToks or carousels showing what AI can do and how you can save them hours. Offer a free article or script sample, then upsell bigger packages. Step 7. Ask for a feedback and testimonials. They build trust and get you more gigs. Look at what gets the most engagement. Refine your prompts and double down on what works. AI is powerful, but the real magic comes when you bring strategy, tone, and storytelling. Step 8. Now scale your business. Offer bundles like Blog Plus, Newsletter Plus, Social Post. Create monthly content plans or sell digital products like prompt libraries or content calendars. This is how you go from $300 gigs to $3,000 monthly retainers. Bonus. Here are a few free tools to supercharge your content game. Grammarly for polishing AI and text. Suffercio for optimizing blog SEO. Canva for adding thumbnails or visuals. Notion to organize content ideas. Combine these with ChatGPT or Jasper, and you're a one-person content agency. And there you go, a full step-by-step guide to making money online with AI-generated content. Whether you freelance, blog, or publish your books, the future of writing is faster, smarter, and scalable, thanks to AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI income ideas. And check the links in the description for 10 powerful tools and products that can help you start today.